Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Udemy how to change country. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Changing your country on Udemy can affect the currency pricing and payment options up to you. While Udemy automatically detects your country based on your IP address or payment method, here are some ways that you can change it. To do it, you can head over to your desktop browser and on the search bar simply type in Udemy login, then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside the homepage of the Udemy, simply log into your account and scroll to the bottom of the page. In the footer, look for your country flag in the bottom right corner, then simply click on the flag and select your desired country from the list. This changes your country for pricing and currency display purposes, and if you want to change it on the mobile app, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your app store. Then on the top, you just have to tap on your profile icon on the top right, and then once you are there, tap on your Apple ID name, and you need to tap on country or region to change it and restart the Udemy app. And these are the couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.